Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your secret board into a public one. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Pinterest on any of the browser you have on your PC and log into your account. Then you should go to your profile. After you go to your profile, go to the saved section and find your board. So this is the board which you can see. This is a secret board as it is showing locked. You can see this is a secret board. Now if I want to turn this public, I'll just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to the name of the board and click on edit board. Then scroll a bit down and you can see keep this board secret. You need to untick this. After you untick this board will no longer be a secret board. If you click on done, it will now appear on your public profile. Now if you go back, you can see that the lock option is already gone. I'm going to give you another example. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and keep one of these boards as locked. I'll just go ahead, go back, and now if I want to unblock it or no longer want to keep it a secret, I'll just go ahead and click on edit, which is right here if you want to do it, or you can just use this button as well. But if it is long for you, just go ahead and click on edit, which is over here, and you can add or edit the board. Just go ahead and untick it and then click done. There you go. This is how you turn your secret board public on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.